If you're wondering how to use Tenable for hybrid cloud security, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know about utilizing Tenable to keep your hybrid cloud environment secure. Stick around until the end because I've got some valuable tips, plus an exclusive bonus that could help you get started for free. First off, let's talk about what Tenable is. It's a comprehensive cybersecurity solution that provides real-time visibility into your entire IT infrastructure, from on-prem to cloud environments. Tenable gives you the ability to monitor vulnerabilities and identify risks that could leave your hybrid cloud setup exposed. Next thing, when you're securing a hybrid cloud, you need to keep track of both your on-premise and cloud environments. Tenable's vulnerability management system lets you do just that, scanning both environments for potential threats. This means you're not just protecting one side of your business, you're safeguarding everything with continuous scans to keep everything up to date. It's perfect for dynamic hybrid setups. The fourth thing Tenable excels at is risk-based prioritization. With so many vulnerabilities to manage, it can be overwhelming. Tenable's system allows you to focus on the highest risks first. This risk-based approach saves you time and resources, making sure you're addressing the most critical issues before moving on to less urgent threats. Now, let's talk about compliance. For businesses with hybrid cloud setups, staying compliant with industry standards is a huge deal. Tenable helps you align with major compliance frameworks such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. It makes the process smoother by providing real-time reports on your security posture, helping you maintain compliance and avoid costly penalties. The next thing is Tenable's integration capabilities. It seamlessly integrates with your existing tools like CM systems, ticketing platforms, and other security solutions. This means you can incorporate Tenable's insights into your broader security ecosystem, automating workflows and responding faster to vulnerabilities and threats. One key feature that makes Tenable ideal for hybrid cloud security is its ability to scale. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Tenable can grow with your needs, ensuring your security remains strong no matter how your hybrid infrastructure expands. Lastly, if you're thinking about getting started with Tenable, the good news is you can try it out completely for free through the link below. I've got an exclusive bonus for you, a free extended trial that allows you to experience all of Tenable's powerful features with no strings attached. It's a perfect way to test how Tenable works for hybrid cloud security without any commitment. To recap, using Tenable for hybrid cloud security means better visibility, improved risk management, compliance assurance, and seamless integration, all while scaling with your business. It's a powerful tool, and with our exclusive free trial, you can get started right away. Don't miss out. Check out the link below to claim your free extended trial and see how Tenable can protect your hybrid cloud environment today.